Hello pop-uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. Some of you are asking me in the comment section to create pop-up flowers or pop-up flowers in a box. So today, I'm gonna show you my collection of pop-up flowers that I have made so far. If you are going to look at this, you can actually make pop-up flowers in a box using this pop-up technique. As you can see, there are little tabs where you're gonna put or attach the elements inside the box. And then there are very little tab also in the corner so that if you are going to put those elements, they would look like 3D or overlapping. You can use this pop-up technique to create pop-up flowers in a box. It's amazing, right? I really like this pop-up box and I'm very sure you like it too. I believe you're gonna make it. I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. How are we going to make this box? Another pop-up flower that you can create is this one. This is not a pop-up flower, but it's actually a pop-up mushrooms. You can use this technique as well to create pop-up flowers in a very simple V-fold mechanism. That is just very easy. You can try it. Another pop-up flower is this. For this one, I am just also using the V-fold mechanism. However, the fold of the elements are backward. But as you can see, they are also overlapping as if they look like 3D, and it can give you a realistic effect. So look at this. There are just 3 layers. The first layer are the little leaves. The second layer, I put leaves also and some flowers. And at the third level or third layer are also the big flowers at the back. This is just very easy as well. Maybe it may just look a little bit complicated just because of the drawings. But in general, that's really easy to attach onto the spread. Here is another pop-up flower that is really amazing for me. Ta-da! Yes, look at that. It's so cute and beautiful. As you can see, I put some bees as if they are flying above the flowers. But the technique there is you are just going to put or attach a transparent plastic where you are going to attach the bees at the end. So to create a realistic effect as if the bees are flying. It's so cute. I love this. There are so many tutorials how to make this bunch of flowers in the center of the spread. However, if you want to see the video of this pop-up flower, then you can just click the link in the description below. Here is another flower that I have made also. This is also easy to make. You're just going to create a big tab where you're gonna put the flower on top of it. Sometimes I really like to create or draw the background, the whole background, just like that one, leaves and some other things, so as to make the pop-up card a little more pleasing to the eyes. Here's another pop-up flower that I have made. As you can see, I just attached those flowers at both ends. However, you also need to find some ways how are we going to attach each one of them to one another so that they're gonna fold perfectly if you are going to close the spread. You can click the link in the description below how I made this. This another pop-up flower is really colorful for me and it is also interesting. However, I think I made a little mistake for this one. If you are going to see this little design of flowers in the middle, maybe we can call these pollens of the flower. However, it is just very wide. If you're gonna open the spread, they should actually stay close to one another in the middle. However, I had difficulty of changing it or making it again, so I just let it be. Maybe in the future, if I'm gonna make one of these, I can surely amend that mistake. But if you're going to make one like this, make sure that you're not gonna make the same mistake. Another pop-up flower is this. It is interesting, but also very simple. I have drawn two flowers, two identical flowers, and then cut it halfway. And after that, you're just gonna insert each other through the cuts. And voila! It's just as easy as that. For me, I think this is one of the easiest pop-up flowers to make. You can try it too. Another beautiful pop-up flower is this. I would say that it's a little complicated. It's because there are many flowers that you're gonna attach to one another. The challenge here is how are you going to plan the folds of each of these flowers that they must fold together when you are going to close the spread. That's the challenge. However, if you're gonna see the video, then I believe you're gonna make it. The link of the tutorial of this video is in the description below. You can visit it. Another interesting but easy pop-up flower is this. This is very nice. The color is really bright and good. For the leaves, you are just actually going to use the very simple V-fold mechanism. And for the flowers, of course, you're gonna make the triangular fold at the bottom part of the flower. It's just actually easy. I have created many pop-up cards already that I use this kind of technique, the triangular fold. So you can check this link also in the description below. Okay, pop-uppers, these are just few pop-up flowers or collection of pop-up flowers that I have made so far. It may look complicated, however, when you start making it, I think it's not that complicated anymore. And you're gonna love and enjoy the process of making a pop-up card. Good luck, pop-uppers! Thank you so much. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye! Bye!